sleep with this next generation anti-snoring silicone nose clip. Finally, a comfortable anti-snoring nose clip. Why would you buy this Silent Snore? Or what's in it? Because it has such great features. So let's see what's in it, let's go. Number 1. Safe, convenient and reusable. Number 2. Effectively helps resolve snoring problems. Number 3. Applicable to any shape of nostrils. Number 4. Easy to use and easy to clean. Number 5. Eco-friendly 100% silicone gel. Number 6. Assists opening up the nose cavity. Silent Snore is available for a limited time only, with exclusive offers and free shipping. Ordering is quick and easy, so take advantage of the great price by ordering yours today. If you want to purchase this Silent Snore, then click below the video. Then my description box will appear. Click on the link next to the Buy Silent Snore. Then you will come landing page. Enter all the information here, and buy this great product. If you like the video, then please do like one. And subscribe. If you have a friend who needs this product, share this video with him. Subscribe to our channel to get reviews of different products.